our newest Dungaree Man adventure where our new character is introduced. And today Cookie will be introducing it instead of me. Now go ahead, Cookie. Dungaree Son. Yes, there is Dungaree Son. Somehow, even though Dungaree Man is extremely dumb, he managed to get himself a wife and have a child, which is very impressive. Very good job, Dungaree Man. And now they are officially the Dungaree Team. When they are together, they are the Dungaree Team. So, Dungaree Team versus Meatball Man, who's grabbing the S because he thinks it's spaghetti. And obviously meatballs go nice with spaghetti, according to him. And most people. So he's flattened the bed and the closet where they hang all their dungarees, because they need a lot of dungarees these days. He just came out of the bathroom, you know. He had to go in the morning. That's the morning routine. Go before we do anything. But whilst he was in there, the whole house got flattened by Meatball Man. And Dungaree Son's just peeking over the top of the bathroom door like, what happened here, Papa? So Meatball Man's ability is he can suck his head, arms, and legs in, and then just roll around as a giant meatball. Nice. That sounds like a nice way to travel. One Dungaree Son. I'm gonna carry you on my back because you're only 3, I think. Possibly 2, I don't know. Okay, we've unflattened everything in our bedroom. And now we stab his meatball hard with this super long spaghetti sword. Yeah. Go for it, Papa. And now we're gonna L dance on him. Yeah, boy. Let's L dance. L dance on him. You lose. Loser. L dance. The end. I hope you enjoyed that Dungaree Man adventure. Yeah, me too. Yes, Cookie hopes you enjoyed it too. And don't forget to come back for our next Dungaree Man adventure. Bye.